Hi, I'm Paul Smitherman, and this is Dig 550 Digital Preservation. In the course so far, we've been considering different types of digital objects and some of the methods of preserving those objects. This week I want to start taking a more general view of digital objects. We'll take a look at a property common to all digital objects, the actual physical manifestation of digital objects. We've talked a lot about various types of digital objects. Our goal for these objects is digital preservation. We've seen a number of definitions of digital preservation, but here's an interesting one from Rosie Jan, a professor of library and information science. Digital preservation can be understood as the ability to sustain the accessibility, understandability, and usability of digital objects in the distant future, regardless of changes in technologies and in the designated communities that use these digital objects. We know that our technologies are always changing, but if technologies are changing, what then are we preserving? We know that our digital objects are basically encoded strings of ones and zeros, known as bit streams. It's important to always keep in mind that these bit streams are encoded physically on some media. Trevor Owens tells us, "It is critical to recognize that all bit streams, the sequences of ones and zeros encoded on the original medium, have a tangible and objective materiality. This provides an essential basis for digital preservation." As an example of the physical encoding of a bit stream, consider a CD-ROM. At the very lowest level, the ones and zeros aren't actually numbers at all, but rather are expressed as physical features on the disk itself. Under an electron microscope, we can see that the ones and zeros are represented physically as high and low spots, known as pits and lands. You might think something like the lands are strings of ones and the pits are strings of zeros. The reality is that the ones occur at the transitions between the pits and lands. The system is designed to exploit the physical properties of the laser light waves interacting with the surface of the disk. We've seen that digital preservation sometimes involves transferring a bit stream from one medium to another. This process is sometimes referred to as bit preservation. Always keep in mind that the digital object that you are preserving is also a physical object. Do some research and think about how bit streams are physically encoded on different types of media. Thanks for watching.